cable stocks that have been in focus today in the back of reports that RIL may be looking at making a strategic investment in the sector ahead of its launch of its broadband services, the 4G services. Avan Dabash joins us with stocks that are buzzing in trade today. Avan?
Absolutely. So take a look at any of the cable stocks. You have the likes of a Hathway, a Den Networks, as well as the WWIL, all spurting on the back of pretty strong volume action as well on this news that Reliance Industries is going to pick up a 26% stake in leading cable operators as well as MSOs. It plans to do this largely in order to leverage its network for its 4G broadband services, and sources indicate that it has approached Den Networks, Digi Cable Networks, Hathway Cables and In-Cable Networks as well as some of the other MSOs which have a strong regional presence. What's in it for Reliance Industries, apart from its 4G broadband services, is that it plans to connect over 100 cities and towns through the fiber optic network, and most of these cable operators and MSOs have already laid out 100,000 kilometers of fiber optic networks. Not just that, you had Reliance Industries, which recently also invested in TV18 group companies via the rights issue and bought a 95% stake in Infotel broadband services last year as part of furthering this venture. What's in it for most of the cable companies? Well, we do know that the government has set that deadline for digitization by 2012 in metros and 2014 in the rest of the country. So most of these companies will require massive investment to the tune of 25,000 crore rupees. And they have already chalked out their fundraising plans for digitization, including stake sales. Just to give you a better picture, Den Networks, for example, plans to invest close to 1,500 crore rupees over the next 3 years. You also have Hathway Cables that plans to invest close to 500 to 600 crore rupees in phase 1 of digitization. And although most of these companies have denied that they are in talks, it is certainly something that is brewing, which is keeping most of them very active.